Hey, what's up editors? It's me TEditor, your editing partner, and this is a tutorial video in which I added my speed art style. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make these type of thumbnails using PixelLab and KineMaster. Means the glow effect thumbnail tutorial. This is gonna be a glow effect thumbnail tutorial. So before that, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and press the bell notification on because I provide these type of edits and speed art videos using a low-end device and using KineMaster and PixelLab. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the tutorial. So guys, first what we're gonna do is adding text and changing its font style. The font used in this videos, their links are available in this description. If links are not available, then their name are also available in the description. So after adding the text, we hide them and then add this brush type effect. This is my style. I made my thumbnails like this. You have seen these thumbnails. So after saving the image, go to KineMaster and add your image, then select a background and change its color to your color combination. Means I have chosen here dark orange type, and then go to cropping option, increase its feather to 50 means max, and then place it where you want the glow effect, and here it's your glow effect is ready. You can also add some more particles effects like I am adding here. So go to your option and add the particles and select the blending mode to screen, so the black part will vanish, and here you have a clean thumbnail. You can see on your screen. You can make some these types of thumbnails. So with that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed, press the subscribe button and also bell icon on. Sorry for mistakes.